To free up a lot of space quickly by deleting large file in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care and then tap storage. Scroll down the screen. Tap large file to see all files exceed the large file limit. By default, it will display all kind of large file. If needed, you can only display large video or document file. To do so, tap the drop down menu and then select video or document. This time, let's leave it to display all files. Now, select the large file you like to delete. As you are selecting the file, your phone will count its size. You can see the total selected files on the delete button. Now, tap delete button. A pop-up appears to inform you whether you like to continue deleting the selected file. If you like to continue the process, tap delete. The selected file has been deleted. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.